Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to align text to the left and right on the same line. Let's get started. First, type the text you want on the left side of the line. For example, signature. Next, go up to the ruler at the top of the page and click to add a right tab stop. You'll see a small triangle appear on the ruler. Now, place your cursor at the end of your left-aligned text and press the Tab key. Then type the text you want on the right side, in my case, date. To make sure it lines up perfectly with the right edge, drag the right tab stop all the way to the far right of the ruler. After that, you can go ahead and write any additional text you want below and adjust it as needed. And that's it. You've aligned text to both the left and right on the same line in Google Docs. It's a simple trick that makes your documents look clean and professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.